Royal Rock signage. So, we're making signs for Mr. Rafail. He's from Jordan originally. Installing their signs there. They have one of the unique carpets. Come check out their carpets.
Coming soon.
And they're opening soon. They have 3D carpets. Look at design 3D carpets. Mr. Rafael. Their address is 3422 FM 529 in Friendswood. One of the most unique carpets you'll ever see. Come check them out. They're installing their signage today and they'll be opening soon in a week. Letters are installed. I'll be installing the faces, LED, with 10-year warranty all the time. Ashter Signs. Wiring the sign inside. Tino is wiring the sign for channel letters. The lights are up. Customer is watching. Last few letters remaining. The logo looks amazing. Customer is super happy. Sign is ready. Final touch-ups, final screws. We're ready to go. Sign final installed. Smiling customer. Happy customer, right?